thunderstorm warning for Callaway County, Kentucky, Graves County, Kentucky, East Central Hickman County, Kentucky, Southeastern McCracken County, Kentucky, Marshall County, Kentucky, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from near Barkley Regional Airport to 7 miles north of Fulgham, or along a line from 7 miles west of Lone Oak to 7 miles northeast of Clinton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Murray, Mayfield, Benton, Calvert City, Reedland, Lone Oak, Sedalia, Linville, Fulgham, Wingo, Harding, Hazel, Brewers, Kirksey, Simpsonia, Harris Grove, Fancy Farm, Lowe's, and Aurora. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Thursday for the following counties: in Kentucky, Callaway, Graves, Hickman, Marshall, and McCracken.